Alibaba, the e-commerce giant, has once again pushed the boundaries of technology with the introduction of its new AI robot. This cutting-edge creation is poised to revolutionize industries and change the way we interact with technology. Let's delve deeper into the capabilities and implications of Alibaba's latest innovation. Part 1. A new era of robotics. Alibaba's new AI robot represents a significant leap forward in robotics. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, this robot can perform a wide range of tasks, from simple household chores to complex manufacturing processes. Part 2. Key features and capabilities. One of the standout features of Alibaba's AI robot is its ability to learn and adapt. Using machine learning algorithms, the robot can continuously improve its performance and acquire new skills over time. Additionally, its advanced sensory capabilities allow it to perceive its environment and interact with humans in a natural way. Part 3. Applications in everyday life. Imagine a world where robots can assist with household chores, provide companionship, and even help with caregiving. Alibaba's AI robot has the potential to revolutionize the way we live. It can be used in homes, hospitals, and offices to improve efficiency and productivity. Part 4. Transforming industries. Beyond the home, Alibaba's AI robot has the potential to transform various industries. In manufacturing, it can be used to automate tasks, improve quality control, and increase production efficiency. In healthcare, it can assist with patient care, perform surgeries, and conduct medical research. Part 5. Ethical considerations. As with any powerful technology, the development of AI robots raises ethical concerns. Issues such as job displacement, privacy, and the potential for misuse must be carefully considered. It is essential to develop ethical guidelines for the creation and deployment of AI. Part 6. The role of AI in society. AI robots have the potential to play a significant role in addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change and aging populations. However, it is important to ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed equitably and that the technology is used for the betterment of society. Part 7. Collaboration between humans and robots. The future of work will likely involve increased collaboration between humans and robots. Alibaba's AI robot is designed to work alongside humans, complementing their skills and enhancing their abilities. Part 8. Challenges and limitations. Despite its impressive capabilities, there are still challenges to overcome in the development of AI robots. These include issues such as battery life, cost, and the ability to operate in complex and unpredictable environments. Part 9. The future of robotics. The development of Alibaba's AI robot is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and capable robots in the future. These robots could revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. Part 10. Conclusion. Alibaba's new AI robot represents a significant milestone in the field of robotics. It has the potential to transform industries, improve our lives, and address some of the world's most pressing challenges. However, it is important to approach the development and deployment of AI with caution and to ensure that it is used for the benefit of all.